Oh, it came apart.
It literally just...
I probably didn't put it together properly. First piece of gum spotted.
This is a big moment. Oh, it's not even on
Beautiful.
What is that?
Camera. Say hi.
Hi.
I can't get to them because they're behind the seat.
How effing rude. I thought these seats would be the most difficult to get off.
I know, I thought they were easy.
Me too.
One down.
Yeah. I wonder if you can just pull this up so high it breaks off. Ooh. Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Ooh, a lottery ticket.
Oh! Yeah. Oh, it doesn't fit. You lift it up.
There we go. Satisfying. Alright.
Damn!
Ta-da!
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
You just do like a little door here.
Mm-hmm.
Toilet.
Yeah.
Whatever.
This is so exciting!
Safety glasses.
Oh, yeah. Good. Nailed it. Hammered it.
Beautiful.
Mwah.
Yeah,
Chef's
chuck it.
kiss.
How about that? Hey, we
About
made
it.
progress. Look at that.
Quite some, eh?
Oh, we should be able to fully enclose this window and bathroom, so then we've got some ventilation.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect!
Speaking of ventilation, let's open some of these.
Absolutely perfect! Oh, they all have one. We're under attack. Just imagine, like, chilling with it open and there's, like, a bird shit through it. Like, right? You don't want the bed
It's
there.
like laying there, mouth open.
That's the thing, watching the clouds.
Yes. Seat gone.
Whoa, that changes a lot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seats out, I think. Oh, that's some progress. And we got that little panel out.
Yup.
Yeah, it's perfect for mounting the bed.
Oh my god, yes! There's room for someone else to lie and use this part of the bed, you know what I mean?
How many times are we going to hit my head on that?
Nothing.
Pretty good progress. Yes, come hither. Za. Come on, you. Ah, no. Fuck. Yes. Thank you. Whoopee. Whoops. Ah. All right. Clearer and clearer yet. Whoops. Gonna damage my beautiful floor. Lazy, tired, clumsy. Just reach out of here. Try and keep the hardware. It's good hardware. Beauteous. Hello.
Whoa!
How are you?
Jeez.
Looks good, huh?
It's beautiful. This is so cool. Right? You just blend in with the seats.
I was just noticing I was like blending into the
Just
wall.
noticing? Ooh.
Oh, they're crusty.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's heavy.
No, me, I'm gonna knock something over. The whole bus falls apart in a chain reaction.
There's
There's an explosion from like, it zooms out to like the whole bus yard and there's just a big explosion in the middle. Ooh. Was it worth it?
No.
Ew.
This one has 2 legs, so you can just put it anywhere. It's so wide. Width.
Oh my god!
Gum.
Are you not used to the gum? Whole back is gone. You did all that today. Thank goodness. Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah. Be gone, seat.
That's what it has to say to you. I don't even remember what it looked like before almost. Does that think
That's
of
where
audio?
the table will go. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, shit. Stop staring. No alcohol, folks.
It's water.
Yay!
Why is there so much nast?
You bought a nasty bus. I don't break it. I don't break the bus. Yes! Oh,
Maybe not a good
maybe.
Yeah.
I know.
Nast.
It's actually really strong.
Oh, I really use for something.
Yeah, I feel like it's re-stickable.
Okay. Ooh, it's all goopy. God damn.
So satisfying, and it's still so dirty.
Ew.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh wow, the screwdriver's not going to fit under the wall ceiling over here. Oh, it'll trim underneath. It's like crawling through the sewers. Oh my god, it fits. Like, just fits. Okay, here we go. It's gonna take a while.
Okay, try the same screw you're doing.
More difficult. Hold on. Here, you get up there and see if you can do it.
You should see one start to spin.
Is it working?
Maybe. Are you holding it?
Yeah. It's working.
Sweet.
It doesn't matter if I hold it. It's holding itself still.
Yes. All right. Success.
I have to switch hands. This hand is hurting. Ah, is that it?
I think so.
Hold on, hold on.
Yes.
Woo!
We can like tilt it forward. Yeah.
Is on, yeah? Hold on this end. Out. Yeah. Yeah. There we go.
We got that out before. If we can just get it out again.
Oh,
Something
we
like
did?
that. Can you?
Yes, go. Yeah.
It's almost out.
Now what? Now the fuck what? What do you, oh, okay. We have to turn it this way because it's getting caught on this. Yeah, now pull it. Yo. Oh, is it heavy?
Oh, this stupid shit up here.
More is it?
We tilt it back. You turn it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, buddy. Whoa there. Ah!
Fuck you, wires.
Oh yeah, sanitization station.
Yep.
Again. Is here.
Oh. She's never interested in it for very long, but it's funny watching her go. Anyway, good night.